Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Album. I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. So we're back here at the market at a different section where...
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Are we going to go far in today?
Yes, we're going to try to go far in today. I'm going to try to get you guys some more shots, aerial shots, and probably just more scenery so you guys can catch the vibe. Not much talking if I can avoid that. And yeah, so the first stop is that we're getting some roasting breadfruit. You're getting roasting breadfruit?
Yes, they're not quite ready, so I can show it to them.
Alright. Alright, so we set off on the journey. We've never gone through this side, but that's exactly where like the main part of the market. We normally went on the outskirts, but this is the part that Mama Bear has been avoiding.
So you want to tell me here. Thank you, darling. One slice of
So you guys realize we stopped to get some pineapples. One of my subscribers did give me some pineapples. It was what you call it, sugar loaf, probably one of the best pineapples we ever have. Like, it's just really sweet. The inner core wasn't like really tough or whatever. It was really soft and nice. We really enjoyed that. Alright, so I get sent on a mission to go free some, what you call it, some tangerine. I forget low because Jonas says like really low. How much are the tangerines? Yeah. Behind the video, it's just your...
Just try, don't put many.
No.
And then this one on me. This one on me. How much do we?
Yo, that has to be like the biggest sweet potato I've ever seen in my life. I know me there, so with... No, I'm talking over there, so. Yeah, I was feeling over there. Biggest sweet potato I've ever seen in my life. Say cat. Yo, it's crazy down here. But yellow yam is here and them I look big. I've never seen this.
How much a pound for this?
This one is $8 a pound. Originally yummy, right to the strongest column in the Coronation Market. Yes.
I need them to use that weight.
This is what in there. Watch it. Yellow like you. I know, lady. You want them to see a space? 2 pounds and 2.5 to give me 2 pounds. Yeah. No, boom, yeah. Yeah, bigger boom, yeah. Little boom, the one, the other big boom. Boom. $8 a pound, 50 for the boom. Because they're cheap, but they're cheap. What little piece? You put it already? No. Not to get
Yo, if you guys like what we're doing, remember to drop a like on the video. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. It really helps to make the video, get shared across. Share the video as well. Because I'm not gonna lie to you. Some persons are a bit skeptical with the camera. They feel like I'm gonna put them on the camera, but I'm not. It's really the food. So, exactly. See what I'm saying?
So we had that video for
just like show people like what going to Jamaica.
Yeah, and your blog. Okay.
When you're foreign, they miss what
yeah.
What is yourself?
Boiled egg, hot boiled egg.
How much is it?
I take time to come and the government tax me.
So you take time to talk because you don't want government tax on it. Wow.
It's reasonable. Reasonable. So you say you want one?
Yeah, please. So doing this, you realize it's good business? Like
yes, I grew up, come see my mother do it. I left so much is work and I have to come back.
Okay.
Little tip of salt, black pepper.
Yes, please.
Yeah, that's it? Yeah, man.
Alright, so I'm going to have a hot boiled egg. Usually, I never used to like egg and like a picnic, but the taste buds them change. How much is fried fish, mommy?
Thank you.
500. How much is it? You see me I eat my egg? $50. How much something? They were selling some fried fish over this a while ago. Never get to really video it, but a good stuff. Alright, so we're still on the interior and Mama Bear is still doing alright. You okay back there? Is everything okay back here?
Yeah.
She was like, Steven, I've never been in here before, you know? Always getting purple onion. I make it always buy purple onion.
Because I love it, it's very good. It's the best onion to eat, you know. And if persons who have cancer, best get back. Yeah.
So we're looking for cabbage.
Yeah, and it's a nice fresh.
Where do you think have the better produce so far? You think out the front or
Yeah,
here?
out the front.
Out front?
You're lucky, me don't talk to you already.
We don't talk to you today, we don't argue with the big woman.
Stand with the picture there. I fear them.
This is a game of they won't never tell them. They won't let them fresh money. They just
Come out of the freezer. Just came out of the freezer.
To be quite honest, I don't really see like what's the big deal or what's the big fear of coming down here in the market, because it's fairly clean, as I can see. The people down here are cool. The prices are already on some of the items, because you realize that people change with time. Like one time people used to like change the price them or whatever. Now the prices are already on the items, so you can come here and can either have an idea of what the cost might be. So things change a little bit, I believe. I think the vibe is good out here, and it's not that hot, because pretty cool. Alright, so we're on the move again. What else are we looking for?
I need some pumpkin, I need some...
Pumpkin.
Yeah, I get the watermelon back at the front, and I need some sugar cane.
Okay, pumpkin, watermelon, sugar cane.
How much you pound for your sweet peppers? Huh?
So this up top is 170, and here it says 100.
100 a pound? You're making fun of this one. It's a nice burger.
So as was being mentioned by the expert, she was saying that it's good to make sure that you walk out the market, because some parts have it like sometimes even 50% more. So just walk out the market if you can. If the price suits you, you pay for it. If you feel like it's outrageous, keep moving on. So we're back on the move again. Like currently now, we're on Yonge Street. We're heading to Yonge Street, yeah. In here they name the different alleyways, so I guess that way you can find your favorite farmer person quite easily. So if you know that someone sells good pumpkins on Yonge Street, just tell a friend for the Yonge Street. Now what I realize is like a whole community down here, because some persons might be here for like hours, sometimes even days, I don't even know. I'll probably try to do a video sometime in the future I can get like more information, but based on my basic knowledge, that's how it is here. So you might realize people are selling different things, like somebody back there was selling tea. So they're providing for the persons who work here and who sell here, and then probably if you come down here you need something to eat like I did. Here's an egg. You can eat egg, there's fried fish, there's tea. It's a good vibe down here. It's not as bad as people try to put it out as. I say that over and over again. Yo, remember, if you like the video, you think the video is cool, don't forget to drop a like, share it with your friends who might be missing for it. Alright, so without any further ado, we are back we're heading towards the front page here, definitely. Comparatively, when I think about it, I think the front page is, it does look a little bit more neater. Some of the stuff them I do realize have been a bit better looking. Maybe probably it's the sunlight out there, I don't even know. But that's where we're heading, taking her back to her natural habitat. And yeah.
I don't see, no, I don't want any peas and those things. I need nuts. I'm talking to you. I soon come back.
Oh, you guys hear that? That was flirtation 101. In Jamaica, if you hear somebody say, psst, if it's a man, don't look for it.
I need some ear. Need some ear.
Alright, so you're getting some
Doesn't it? That's fine.
That's something I never used to like to eat when I was younger, but now
I had it too much when I was younger, so 10 years of a while, for years I didn't eat it.
I like it. It's pretty
Thank you. How much for the hot pepper?
70.
Too right. I can pick out what I want.
But that's not orange. As I can say, I have much right.
Whisper to me.
I heard a song in the background and like legit just starting with my grandmother, I don't even know why. But anyway, I'm gonna try to get you guys some aerial shots so you can see like the overall landscape of the market or whatever the case is. And yeah, so we are back on the move.
We need some of those, the cinnamon leaf.
Cinnamon leaf?
Yeah.
Bullet in them blood clotted. Feel like a 2-man bring me come round and watch it.
Wow. I think that's something that's like super common that I've noticed like living here. Like sometimes you hear somebody like have an argument and then bring the argument go all the way like 3 minutes and still talk about it to themselves, you know? So it just seems like say they want to kill somebody right beside them, but it was like a previous argument they're still lamenting on. It's crazy.
Cut in color. Give me any amount of cabbage to cut off, not color.
Yo, I'm sweating already and oh my gosh.
Anyone?
Yeah. It's an experience. But like we're heading down that alley that I was showing you guys. Yo, I've never been to Africa before, but like here is very reminiscent. Like you just feel like you can just tell say yo we come from African descendants, like definitely. Yeah. You don't want to do, no chance, I don't want to.
Everybody pick that and cut every cut every gum. Just pick that. Record every gum out of the mash move. You know, pick that gum. Hey boy, no, come here, sir. Hey boy. Hi man.
Fiction.
Oh, 120 carats.
Oh, that was funny.
How much amount of carrots?
So we're in a part of the market I've never been to before. Cause like,
I send that England.
eh?
I send that England.
Going all over here.
I've never been to this part of the market, like where the dirt and
Years ago.
Oh yeah, show them.
show them, yeah. Cause I know some people who live by them too. So you show them, say there's a vibe down here, then come.
Miss Matty granddaughter, good morning. You want to
Yo, for those of you who think that vlogging Jamaica is easy, it's not. Like here I feel like an alien because people just be like watching me. Wondering exactly what I'm doing. So yo, it's crazy but we do it for the vlog. Yeah, so I capture with culture, you know. This guy's a nice guy. At least he's not gonna complain about it.
Alright, so we can get some nice big tomatoes and the ripe bananas.
Yeah, I made sure to capture the hand cartment for those who might be wondering like what's the purpose of them. Sometimes if you're coming to the market and you have like a lot of stuff, like too much stuff to carry to wherever you're carrying it to, whether it's to your taxi or to your car, they will you can actually charter them to carry it around. Funny thing is, like KSAC put this type of law in where they had to get license plates because they're like it's some kind of vehicle or whatever, so yeah, they had to pay for it. But yeah, as Mom just said, it's another way for the government to make money from the people, which is, yeah, it's crazy. So yeah, the vlog, we don't know the vlog is real life. Straight real life. I try to keep it that way though. You see me still film the vlog phone on me, I carry a bag same way, you know. And you need more help with the bag? Because you know you're little and them can't manage, you know. Here, yeah. Alright, so we're in another part. I feel like we've gone through dimensions today. Through different sides, different areas of the market. Yo, this market is big. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was, to be quite honest. I don't know.
That's the one you must
Okay, so we finally got to the part that we normally come to. Yeah.
What a trip, huh?
What a trip. But we made it, we're safe, we're fine. There were some very entertaining moments. Yeah, if you look straight across the building with the blue top, that's where the police station is, and that's where we parked the very first time we came here. So, yeah.
Ayy Camera, take this
No, I fool them.
Yeah, man.
For yourself.
How much you string
Spray that camera, man. Bad. Why make you say that? You see it on Facebook. 400 and pound.
400 a pound?
Yeah.
For real?
Plant.
Sugar.
You see it start on Facebook.
Alright, so the subscriber, I don't want to call her name because she said she really don't want her name to go on the vlog, but she brought a sugar loaf and I'm guessing that this might be one. Is that a sugar loaf? Pineapple? Yeah? What kind of pineapple is that? Sugar loaf. You not tell her that? See, I'll show you. Learn about pineapple. So thank you to my beautiful subscriber for introducing me to sugar loaf. Like, that's so exciting for me. And you guys saw the greenery on those lettuce. It looked fresh, like it had whole heap of chlorophyll. Cane for last, coconut water for last. Alright, cool. Probably my two favorite things on the market when I come here. Definitely sugar cane. I love sugar cane. And coconut water. I just love it. This is for the people who say destiny, how to eat the apple and get jealous, eat again. Get jealous again. It's called how to eat the apple. It's a Jamaican variation of apple. A lot softer than the American ones.
Much nicer too.
Nicer, you believe so?
Of course it does. Hello. American apple not good like our apple.
Let me stop talking about God.
They must do that. Our apples are much better, nicer than American apples. American apple.
I think American apples, they call them Granny Smith, some of them or something like that.
Where you say?
Yeah, OTT. Very good apple.
This is what we have.
Where's Daddy? Daddy not yet. It's about time. Can you force him how long?
Are they the same salad when I'm on the back from?
Yeah.
I'm from,
This is father.
So you just get up and say, how is daddy? It's like, you know, say, I'm match.
Yeah, no, it's his daddy.
Really?
I'm lifting weights, you know, so I'm look different now.
Oh, okay.
Push on in the arm.
She said the banana get pushed on.
So it won't get to
They use
break
a banana trash.
Yeah.
It's cool. It's really cool.
Thank you. Daddy, hi.
As I noticed, you're gonna find different characters down here selling. I think the ones them who I believe would be smarter would be the ones who actually accept social media in some sense. Meaning, like, there's this guy that I saw on some news clipping in Jamaica. He's a farmer and he sells his things through social media. Like, he puts it on his Instagram and people come to him because people know, say, yo, his things are freshly produced. I really wish like some other people here would do that too. You know, engage a little bit more in the new culture. You know, market themselves a bit better because the things them down here are very nice, very fresh, and trust me, if I can get Judah's mom to come down here 3 times, you know, so the thing them good. So we're back here again at Nando's. This is someone who she's known for quite some time. Just to give you guys an update as to how the market smells, there's like different scents as you walk through. You're gonna smell like things like roast breadfruit, you're gonna smell the herbs them most of the time. You smell a lot of time, and then some parts of them are cooked. The food smells good, but you see me, we're just there trying to capture this as much as we can for you guys. I think I'm going to be ending the video pretty soon. Yeah. Nesberry? To be honest, I'm not really a fan of Nesberry. I don't like the greeniness of it. I don't like the feel.
I don't like it. Don't eat them. Make sure you give me some right.
No, I'm not right, yo. Around us, I'm going to scream. Joe, you're my pressure. You're my pressure. I watch it. Dan, you come and see me work. Big hole in us. Let's follow up.
Miss D, may I get a straw, please? This is a traveler. Are you a traveler? Can I get that combo?
Wow. Water nice. And then baby I drink water so you look.
How many this is hard. This one is too tough. It's not that soft. Oh Jesus. Man, them come somewhere and damage money.
Yeah.
Get all the meat.
Get all of the meat outside, you know. This thing is a belly full.
I had my water and I had a piece of pineapple.
This is the real Jamaica.
Well, so welcome to the real Jamaica. Anybody want to see some of bread?
Back in the day, I put like sugar in it, you know.
Wait, you're not offering some to your friends? I don't understand you.
Facts. You know, look at piece come mean. Oh man, how much for your lenta cane?
Eh?
How much for your lenta cane?
How much you want it?
Yeah, give me one please. One sweet one. So you say, well, I cane them sweet.
Yeah.
Myself, watch that cheap. Yeah, I go on Rastaman one time and him say when the cane have one, like when it have a deep red running along it, him said that one they kind of sweet, so work with that. I learned a new word today, I never know them call it a lenta cane. That's interesting. So yeah, with the low tea ground you know, people might drive past and things. The sun a kick.
You put on my sunscreen.
So she put on, hear them something uptown, you know? Uptown sunscreen. But yeah, she did call somebody to get the key and cut. First ever forward and she'll deal with it herself, man. Like that. She not ramping up, man. Serious something, you know. That may I tell you. We're getting a great customer service because I realized that she was allowed to go onto the shade and to get some cool shade.
Yes, get some shade around here.
So just there, so I wait a little bit, you know.
Yeah.
So you come Friday night and I'll go until Monday evening. Wow.
Yeah, then I don't tell enough.
Myself, okay. Okay. But you live at home, so you just go home at 3 o'clock. But you make sure you reach home.
Nah, to come down here. Me? When me and me done a little TV, terrible man.
Yeah. So how long you have been working in the market? How long you have selling?
Me?
Yeah. Couple years? You might not be able to hear it, but it's getting super windy down here. I think it's about time to go. Yeah, so we're heading to the car, passing more sugar loaves. Yeah, walking up in downtown city. Alright, Mama finally conceded to give me the bags, finally. But yeah, we're just going through. You know, we're past what is Sky Juice? No? Sorry. I was wondering if that was Sky Juice. It's been a minute since I've seen that on the island. So I'm just here pretty much just sitting in the back of the car. Mama Bear gone to get her pineapple that she left to be peeled and to get her roast breadfruit. And to be quite honest, like, you guys might not be seeing like a lot of videos from me from this point on, because the videos that I really intend to make are going to be just deeply about culture. You know, I want them to be meaningful. Every single video that I do, I don't want just to like a random video just to say, oh, look at me. I want it to be deeper, you know, show my culture, show Jamaica, you know, the real way, the raw form. And I really hope you guys really, you know, rate the videos, you respect them, and you know, drop a like on the video. I'm gonna start telling you guys to do that more, because, you know, liking the video is not about like whatever, it's just to be able to get the video out there more, you know, to other people who want to see this type of culture, you know, who want to come to Coronation Market and might be a little bit afraid, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you guys being here with me in the heat and everything. And remember these 3 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, man, keep the link.
Pork, and it's so hot and nice out there. It's yellow heart, you know.
Jeez, how do you prepare your breadfruit? When it's fresh or when it have a sweetness to it?
No, I don't like it sweet.
Me neither.